Next section, urban problems related to energy. Overview. Urban center use enormous quantities of energy. In the past, urban housing required relatively smaller amount of energy than we use at present. Traditional housing in India required very little temperature adjustments as the material used such as wood and bricks. Handled temperature changes better than the current concrete, glass and steel of ultra modern building. Energy is an essential need for a man wherever he lives, urban or rural society. In urban areas, the need of energy is increasing by leaps and bounds. Take the case of mega urban dwelling places. Embedded energy. Materials like iron, glass, aluminum, steel, cement, marble, burnt bricks, which are used in urban housing, are very energy intensive. The process of extraction, refinement, fabrication and delivery are all energy consuming and added to pollution of earth, air and water. This energy consumed in the process is called embedded energy. That Mahatma Gandhi had suggested many decades earlier is now accepted by experts on development across the world. This is based on his concept that the world would support people's needs but not their greed. Industrialized, developed countries use energy for these purposes. 1. Residential and commercial. 2. Industrial. 3. Transportation. The two sources of energy are renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Optimal usage shall be the ideal mode for energy conservation. For an integrated management system, we should have renewable energy as well as non-renewable energy sources. At local level, biomass energy trapping, use of solar cooker, solar water heaters, solar photovoltaic cells must be encouraged. This shall be utilized besides the conventional energy from fossil fuels, hydel, thermal, and nuclear power. Resources. Due to high population density and high energy demanding activities, the urban problems related to energy are much more magnified as compared to rural population. Hurdles that play in energy conservation. 1. Lack of awareness. 2. Attitude. 3. Lack of technical knowledge. 4. Market distortion. 5. Capital shortages. Regardless of the level of economic development, it is essential to realize sustainable growth of economies in order to maintain a world order and restrictions on energy supply, which may hinder a sustainable economic development, should be avoided at all. At the same time, however, insufficient final energy consumption, which may result in aggravation of the global environmental problems, should not be allowed. Urban kitchens. Until the 1950s, many urban kitchens were based on fuel wood or charcoals. This changed to electrical energy and increasingly to natural gas by the 1970s. In most parts of urban India, the early systems of fans changed into air conditioning, which consumes enormous quantities of energy. New buildings in our country have taken to using large areas covered by glass. While in cold climates, this uses the greenhouse effect to trap the warmth of the sun inside. In our hot climate, this adds several degrees to the temperature inside. High-rise buildings in urban centers also depend on energy to operate lifts and an enormous number of lights. Urban transport depends on energy. mainly from fossil oil or fuels. Most urban people use their own individual transport rather than public transport systems for a variety of reasons. Urban transport in different cities and even various parts of a city are either inefficient or overcrowded. Thus, even middle income groups tend to use their own private vehicles. This means more and more vehicles on the road, which leads to traffic congestion, waste of time for all the commuters, and a great load of particulate matter and carbon monoxide from the exhaust of vehicles. This need to develop a more efficient public transport system and discourage the use of individual vehicles in all our urban areas. Each of us, as an environmentally conscious individual, must reduce overuse of energy. Reduce overuse of energy. An unnecessary light left on carelessly added to energy use. Imagine the amount of energy wasted by thousands of careless people. If we learn to save electricity, we would begin to have a more sustainable lifestyle. Thank you. Have a nice day.